Thinking about shopping at inariboutique.com for cozy sweaters and fashion? Before you hit add to cart, let's find out if this online store is legit or just another risky fake shop. So inariboutique.com presents itself as a boutique selling stylish apparel like sweaters and knitwear, sometimes with stories about unique handcrafted items, but looks can be deceiving. And recent shopping sites often use flashy branding to lure buyers. Here's what seems normal at first. The site uses HTTPS encryption. Your data is technically protected in transit. It looks like a typical e-commerce store with product pictures and checkout buttons, the basics you'd expect. But don't let appearances be your only guide. Now the warning signs. Security analysis gives inariboutique.com very low trust scores, with some systems rating it around 19.4 out of 100, which is common for suspicious or dubious sites. The domain was registered only recently, end of December 2025, and doesn't have an established history. Real buyers report serious problems. Customers say ordered sweaters advertised are as handmade or from Finland but received cheap polyester versions or nothing at all, and tracking info was fake. Some reviewers mentioned the company is actually based in Hong Kong under another business name, not a boutique store in the claimed country. These are classic red flags of unreliable online stores. So is inariboutique.com a real fashion store? Right now, it's high risk and likely fake, extremely low trust scores, a brand new domain, and multiple customer complaints about poor quality and misleading claims suggest you should avoid buying until it builds a solid, verified reputation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.